Hey there, fabulous folks. Ready to dive into the homeownership whirlpool? I'm Hans, your mortgage maestro, and we're about to uncover why owning a home is like discovering your very own treasure map. Let's jump right in. Imagine this, a street lined with charming homes, each one brimming with possibilities. When you own, you're not just a resident, you're the director of your own show, creating a masterpiece called Life, Sweet Life. Hold on to your hats. While renters toss coins into the abyss, homeowners are playing a symphony of savings. Your money isn't disappearing, it's multiplying and cheering you on with every mortgage payment. DIY enthusiasts, rejoice. Imagine designing your space without those pesky no drilling allowed signs. When you own, your creativity reigns supreme and each paint stroke tells a story. It's the art of ownership. Time for a sizzle-tastic fact. That backyard, it's not just for show, it's your personal playground. No more permissions needed. You're the ruler of your BBQ kingdom. Gather around, everyone. Homeownership is the stage for life's heartwarming scenes. From epic gatherings to cozy nights, you're crafting memories that deserve a standing ovation. Wrapping it up, my awesome audience, owning a home isn't just a transaction, it's an experience that spells freedom. Your story, your rules, and I'm here to help you script the perfect mortgage chapter. I'm Hans, your homeownership hype guru, signing off. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and that charming little bell. Until our next adventure, stay splendid and stay home sweet home.